And we got one more today on the EV front, but this goes back to what's happening in the land of EV trucks. And it's going to be a hot segment. I'm telling you that right now. Hummer is coming back. We talked about this around the time of the Super Bowl. I think, did they have LeBron James do the commercial? Was that? Yeah. I think we talked about it. But they didn't show off the vehicle. If you recall, it was just like the front grille, and they were very excited about it. Well, apparently now the thinking is that there's going to be two models. So an SUV model and then a truck model. The original Hummer was strictly an SUV, but we've seen this truck demand go through the roof. There's so many electric trucks popping up, and they're going to want a piece of that. And if you're already doing the SUV, why don't you just do the truck as well? And so anyway, since we haven't seen the entire thing yet, people have become real excited about it, and we have some different interpretations emerging based on the small details that are available. And this is the latest render from an artist. His name is San E-Boy Art. And he's got a look at what the truck variant of this upcoming Hummer truck could look like. And he's basing it also on probably what some of the other GM trucks look like, right? You might assume it will share some components with that platform. It's possible, maybe not. I mean, we'll have to obviously wait and see the exact details. Built on the GM BT1 platform. Well, maybe that's exactly what that is. Let me look that up. GM BT1 platform. Maybe this is the shared with the 1500 and the other pickup trucks. Upcoming. Oh no, this is just strictly for electric vehicles. So that's something different. That's just strictly their electric vehicle platform. This EV is expected to develop around 1,000 horsepower and offer a range, once again, of 400 miles. So it's going to deliver the range you're looking for. And apparently it's going to have great off-road capabilities. But I'll tell you something, Will, man, it's getting real crowded out there. Everyone realizes now, they see what happened with Tesla. They're all trying to get a piece of this electric vehicle game. And it's going to be hard for a guy like you to choose once you get your electric vehicle. Because now you got to consider all the traditional automakers and the things they're doing, and you got to consider Tesla, and you got to consider the upstart automakers without much of a history who are getting the game, like the last one I just mentioned.
Rivian and Nikola.
Holy moly, man.
Yeah.
Well, that's just trucks.
Yeah.
Just trucks. We got, it seemed like in such a rapid sequence, we got the Cybertruck, the Rivian, the Nikola. We got the Hummer that we just talked about. There will be an all-electric F-150 coming soon. And then I almost forgot one that I really like. It's called, why am I going to forget the name right now? This might be one of my favorite. This might be my favorite one. Although, I mean, it remains, I will have to see it and try it myself because it's a way different take. Oh, you're talking about the Polestar coming from Volvo. But there's this electric truck with like an old school styling that really catches my attention. And somebody's watching this show and they're yelling right now, the name of it. This is it. I have the image. Look at this article. Every electric pickup truck currently on the horizon. The one I am talking about is talk about suspense. Bollinger B2. Type that in, Bollinger B2. Now, this is a rugged look. This one does not look like an electric vehicle. Whoa. It looks like an old school military type of Jeep look to it. Click on the one with the doors off right there. I mean,
that's cool.
It's got some cool factor to it. It kind of, you know what it looks most like right now is the Jeep truck that just came out. Kind of looks like that. This one looks like a real off-road thing. You can click on the SUV model as well over there in the middle. Yeah, that one. So you can get it as an SUV or a pickup truck. It's very boxy. Yep. It's a totally different interpretation than what the other guys are doing, but you can add that one to the mix as well. And if you get some interior photos of this thing, they left it so open in the middle, you can fit huge cargo. Look at that. You can open up the back wall there. I know people were asking Elon if he could do that with the Cybertruck as well. You could just load massive things in there.
Just right down the center here.
Yeah, it gets me real fired up. I get fired up by weird things. We've already covered that many times past. Oh, and look at the glass roof on it as well. If you click, that one there.
Oh.
You went to the web page. Yeah, there you go. The whole roof is a big sheet of glass. Anyway, it's cool. Who knows? That one's expensive as well, I should mention. 125 grand. So I don't know what you're going to do for your next car, Will. I'm really stressed out on your behalf. Mine as well. I think I already ordered the Cybertruck, though. Would it be crazy to have... Payment? Can I have that truck, too? Is that crazy?
Yeah.
Maybe I do a comparison. Cybertruck. Once all these electric vehicles start to ship, I'm excited at the prospect of putting more of them to the test. That could be cool. But you guys let me know in the comments, which styling do you like the best as far as electric trucks are concerned? Let's go with these three as your option. The Rivian, the Cybertruck, or that one we just showed you, the Bollinger. All right, Will, that's it for me. We did it. We done did it. As they say, fueled by coffee, fueled by caffeine. We worked our way through it. Did you have a coffee today?
I did, yeah.
You did? Well, I can tell.